In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Language Translator on Shopify. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin and landing on your main dashboard. From here, head straight to Settings. This is where most of your store-wide preferences live, including language controls. Inside Settings, open the Languages area. Depending on your layout, it may appear under your general store settings or as store languages. Now add a new language. Click. Add a language and you'll see a list of available options. Browse or search for the language you want to offer, then select it. Once you see it highlighted, click it to confirm your choice and continue by choosing Next. Shopify will then ask where you want this language to be available. Use the toggle next to the store or sales channel you want to translate, typically your online store. This helps ensure your translations apply in the right place. When you're set, click Done. Back on the Languages screen, find the language you just added and click Translate. Shopify will take you to the Translate and Adapt app, which handles the translation work for your store's content. In the app, choose Auto Translate to let Shopify automatically translate your products, collections, pages, and theme text. This is a great starting point, and you can always fine-tune wording later if you need brand-specific nuance. When prompted, click Translate to begin. The process can take a moment depending on the size of your catalog. While it runs, keep in mind you can return to this app anytime to review and edit specific strings for greater accuracy. Once the auto translation completes, use the Languages link near the top of the app to return to your Shopify language settings. Find your newly added language, click the three dots next to it to open the options menu, and choose Publish. Confirm by clicking Publish again. Publishing makes the language live so visitors can browse your storefront in their preferred language. A few quick tips while you're here. Auto translation covers most core content, but it's smart to spot check key pages like your homepage, navigation labels, product titles, and policy pages to ensure tone and terminology fit your brand. You can add more languages by repeating the same flow. And after publishing, shoppers will typically see a language selector in your storefront, depending on your theme. That's it. Your store now supports multiple languages using Shopify's built-in translation tools, giving